After installation, you can find the app on your home screen. When you open the Changers CO2 Fit app for the first time, take a moment to configure it. If you take part in a challenge of your company or your city, confirm with yes. Now enter your company email or the password provided by the challenge organizers. If you have not created an account yet, you can do so now. If you're already registered, select Login and log in with your existing account. Since all your data is stored securely and encrypted in our online database, nothing gets lost if you reinstall the app. Make sure to confirm terms and conditions. Now choose the team you want to join. Click OK, Start to start the setup. To receive important information about competitions and awards, click Allow. If you're already using Apple Health, you can now link it to your account. With the help of automatic route recording, your movements are assigned automatically with high precision. This way, you don't have to manually enter your bike and car rides, as well as the use of public transport. Enter your car data so that the app can better evaluate your CO2 emissions. If you're not sure about this information, just click Use Average. If you regularly travel with several people, activate the carpooling option. Now enter how many people you're traveling with on average. Estimate the mean proportion of the route you cover in carpooling. Congratulations! You have now completed the setup of the Changers CO2 Fit app.